Hi everyone, this is Roxy here. In the previous videos, I've shared how I started my online jewelry store, and you've probably known that I'm starting to do cross-border e-commerce lately, namely to sell globally. And if you haven't watched it yet, I strongly recommend you to do so. I'll leave the link in the description below. There are some methodologies I've been using for my cross-border online shop, and among them, product research is really important for beginners as it helps to avoid the waste of time and money. So today, I'm going to share with you guys how I do product research to select the potential winning products right to sell. I select jewelry for my brand every half a year, so namely spring and summer and autumn and winter. And when selecting products, I'll make myself fully engaged in fashion by reading fashion magazines and articles, going to fashion shows, and sometimes exhibitions if available. All the fashion ideas I learned would help me grow a decision-making instinct and what we call taste. And after I've got so many ideas, I'll resort to stats tools before making my final decisions. At other times, I also keep a close eye on sales and comments and accordingly adjust my product. Like I'll put the best selling ones first, and for those with deemed sales, I'll just take them off the shelf and put them to the end of the product list. Adjusting in time matters a lot, and stats tools are a really good helper. You may be curious which tools I've been using in product selection and adjustment. Now, let's take a look. Now, I assume everyone already has, or at least a very vague idea of what to sell. Congrats! But we should know an idea is just a thought, which might not come true. So we need to do a lot more research to give our ideas some backup. You can use Google Keyword Planner, which I really enjoy using, and Google Trends as well. But what I would like to share with you today is another website that I've been trying lately to get some inspirations, find myself some winning products, or sometimes just use it to browse the news. And it's called BuzzSumo. It provides many functions, and I'll walk you through how I do my research. When doing research, we should focus on these questions. How large is the market size, or how much demand is there? Who are our competitors? And number 3, will our products rise or decline? And are there any seasonality swings? For instance, when I search pearl jewelry, the search volume is 8.1K, a medium level, and the monthly search line from June 2020 to June 2021 is flat, which means there are almost no seasonality swings. Besides, necklace and earrings rank first and second in the following keywords, and it's predictable as they do sell well in all jewelry products. The third is pearl necklace man, which is very interesting, but since it is on top of the keyword list, it would have a relatively huge market demand. So let's do more research. And now I'm going to search pearl necklace men and check its trends. We can also click to view the full insights and read related articles. This will help us learn the featured styles of our competitors. One more thing I would love to do is to check the search result on Facebook and Twitter, like how many tweets per day I'm mentioning for our target groups. For me, I usually check out tweets that mention keywords of my product and then take a closer look to see who exactly these people are and what their comments are, etc. And finally, now we go to search pearl necklaces for men on Google, or lately I've been using Alibaba.com, and find various styles like hip hop and high street. Most are made with pearl and metal. MOQ is not very large, and some of them offer free sample, so we can buy some samples to test how their logistics is going and check its quality and how they actually look. On the other hand, if you have completely no idea, then you'll hardly find the right product to sell, and you're gonna have a hard time beating your dropshipping competitors. Use Ecom Hunt to have a glimpse of what's trending now. It provides free trial, as it's easy to get started, so perfect for beginners. And it covers products that are being sold crazily worldwide, along with pictures, descriptions, profits and costs, estimation of trending items, and Hunt stores selling them. We can also see the data of our competitors. Ecom Hunt also connects Shopify and AliExpress, 2 big e-com platforms. In sum, it covers a lot and is quite convenient for green hands. As the potential winning products you learn through the stats are probably going viral right now, and the profits and market share may have been swallowed by others. What we really need is finding a product that will win in the future. So we need to be insightful and visionary. Okay, this is how I select products using stats tools. And in the next video, I'll go further on product selection. If you have any questions or any ideas, please feel free to leave your comment below. This is Roxy. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone you know in need. See you in the next video. Bye!